Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, in last class we discussed some formulas related to trigonometry concept and example problems we discussed. Now in this session we will start exercise 3.3. Okay. First question, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here one thing you have to know the trigonometry table. You have to know all the values of trigonometry table. Okay. Now sin pi by 6. Now sin pi by 6 is how much more? Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So sin square pi by 6 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. So cos square pi by 3 is 1 by 2 whole square minus tan square pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value how much? Tan pi by 4 value is 1. So tan square pi by 4 is 1 square. So 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. That is RHS. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Now here question is to prove sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here you have to know values, trigonometric values. Okay. So sin pi by 6 value 1 by 2. So it's square 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 plus cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2. Okay. So cos square pi by 3 value 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 minus tan square pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value 1. So tan square pi by 4 value is 1 square, that is 1. Okay. So minus is there, so minus 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 2 by 4 minus 1. 2 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. That is what we have to prove. Second question also similar ma. Second question is also similar. Okay. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. We have to prove this value is 3 by 2. To prove this value is 3 by 2. Okay. What is question? 2 into sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now 2 into sin pi by 6 value how much? Sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. So 2 into sin pi by 6 value 1 by 2, sin square pi by 6 value 1 by 2 whole square. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6. Cosecant square 7 pi by 6. When you have more than pi or more than pi by 2, okay, we will try to reduce the angle. Okay. Now we will write something like this ma. Pi minus theta or pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta or 2 pi plus theta, or else pi by 2 minus theta or pi by 2 plus theta, or 3 pi by 2 minus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, and one thing you have to remember, for multiples of pi means pi minus theta or pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta or 2 pi plus theta will get same trigonometric ratio. Okay, means for sine you get sine, for cos you get cos, for tan you get tan, for cosecant you get cosecant, for secant you get secant, for cot you get cot. Okay, but it is minus or plus depends on the quadrant. Okay, minus or plus depends on the quadrant, means in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, in second quadrant sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, in third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, in fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. Okay, next, for odd multiples of pi by 2 means pi by 2 minus theta or pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta, for these we get alternate trigonometric ratio, means for sine you get cos, for cos we will get sine, for tan we get cot, for cosecant secant, for secant cosecant. Okay, again positive or negative depends on the quadrant. Okay, now here cosecant square 7 pi by 6, cosecant square 7 pi by 6, cosecant square 7 pi by 6 we can write as pi plus pi by 6, pi plus pi by 6. Now cosecant pi plus pi by 6, cosecant square pi plus theta. Okay, cosecant pi plus theta is what? Cosecant pi plus theta is pi plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant cosecant is negative, so cosecant pi plus pi by 6, pi plus pi minus 2 pi plus 2 pi minus, what will get? Will get same trigonometric ratio. So cosecant pi plus pi by 6 is what? Cosecant pi by 6, but it is in third quadrant. Pi plus means third quadrant, so third quadrant cosecant is negative, no? So what will get? Actually this is minus cosecant pi by 6, but because of square, minus cosecant pi by 6 whole square is what? Cosecant square pi by 6, cosecant square pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value, cos pi by 3 value is how much? 1 by 2. So cos square pi by 3 value 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now here what we have? 2 into 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus, this is 1 by 2 square is what? 1 by 4 into cosecant square pi by 6, cosecant square pi by 6. Cosecant square pi by 6 is, cosecant pi by 6 is 2, cosecant pi by 6 is 2, its square is 2 square is 4. Now this 4 cancel, no? So how much we have? 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 3 by 2, 3 by 2, that is what we have to prove. Now here except cosecant square 7 pi by 6, remaining direct values, 2 into sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, so this part is 1 by 2. Okay, now here cos square pi by 3, cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2, cos pi by 3 whole square is 1 by 2 square nothing but 1 by 4, this value 1 by 4. Okay, next about this value, cosecant square 7 pi by 6, cosecant square 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 we can write as pi plus pi by 6. Okay, cosecant pi plus pi by 6 is minus cosecant pi by 6, because of its square minus cosecant pi by 6 whole square nothing but cosecant square pi by 6. Okay, where cosecant square pi by 6, cosecant pi by 6 value 2, its square is 2 square 4. Okay, this 4 cancel, will get here 1, so 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, that is what we have to prove. Okay, next question, question number 3, cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 5 pi by 6 plus 3 times of tan square pi by 6, this value we have to prove it as 6. Okay, now among these values, cot pi by 6 value, direct value we know, tan square pi by 6, tan pi by 6 value directly we know, only we have to concern with cosecant 5 pi by 6. Okay, now cot pi by 6, cot pi by 6 value root 3 so cot square pi by 6 value root 3 square, root 3 square is 3, so this value is how much? 3, this value 3. Okay, next this value 3 into tan square pi by 6, 3 into tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3. Tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3. So its square 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 cancel. So here value 1 because 3 into 1 by root 3 square 1 by root 3 square is what? 1 by 3. So 3 cancel 1 here. 3 plus 1 4. Okay. So this value 3, this value 1 4. Okay. Now we have in middle term that is cosecant 5 pi by 6. Cosecant 5 pi by 6. Now 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Can we write 5 pi by 6 as pi minus pi by 6? 5 pi by 6 we can write as pi minus pi by 6. Now it is of the form cosecant pi minus theta. Cosecant pi minus theta. Now what we discussed? Pi minus theta, pi plus theta. 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta. Will get same trigonometric ratio. So cosecant pi minus pi by 6 is cosecant pi by 6. Okay. Now minus cosecant pi by 6 or plus cosecant pi by 6 depending on the quadrant. Okay. So pi minus means second quadrant below pi. So second quadrant. So second quadrant cosecant is positive, no? So this is cosecant pi minus pi by 6 is plus cosecant pi by 6. Okay. So cosecant pi by 6 value is 2. So 3 plus cosecant pi by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 3, 3 get cancelled. This is 1. Cosecant pi by 6 value 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Now here in this question number 3, cot square pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 value we know that is root 3. So cot square pi by 6 value is root 3 square, that is 3. Okay. Now here third term 3 into tan square pi by 6. 3 into tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3. So its square is 1 by root 3 square. So 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is 3 cancel 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Next we have one more term, middle term here, cosecant 5 pi by 6. Cosecant 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 we can write it as pi minus pi by 6. Okay. Cosecant pi minus pi by 6. Cosecant pi minus pi by 6. Cosecant pi minus theta is cosecant theta. So cosecant pi by 6. Okay. Cosecant pi by 6 value is 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Next question. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. What we have to prove? 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 value as 10. Okay. Now what we have here, 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 equal to 10. This is what we have to prove. Now among these 3 terms, now cos pi by 4 value directly we know, secant pi by 3 value directly we know. So these 2 terms no issues. Here we have sin square 3 pi by 4. Okay, 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. I try to write as pi minus something, pi plus something, like that you try. Okay. Now 2 sin square 3 pi by 4. Okay, 3 pi by 4, what we can write? Pi minus pi by 4. Okay. 3 pi by 4 we can write as pi minus pi by 4. If we take LCM 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi. So 3 pi by 4 we can write it as pi minus pi by 4. So 2 sin square pi minus pi by 4. Okay. So 2 sin square pi minus pi by 4. Now sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Pi minus pi plus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus, we will get same trigonometric ratio. So sin pi minus pi by 4 is sin pi by 4. Okay, plus or minus depending on quadrant. Now pi minus means second quadrant. Pi minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So this is sin pi by 4. So 2 into sin square pi by 4. 2 into sin square pi by 4. Okay. So 2 into sin pi by 4 value. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square. 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. So 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel 1. So this term value is 1. Plus second term 2 into cos pi by 4. Cos square pi by 4 direct value. So cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2, so its square is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel 1, okay, plus 2 into secant square pi by 3, 2 into secant pi by 3 value, secant pi by 3 value is 2 ma, secant pi by 3 value is 2, okay. So 2 into secant square pi by 3 means secant pi by 3 whole square, that is 2 into secant pi by 3 value 2, 2 into 2 square, okay, 4, 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8, okay. So what we have, 8 plus 1 plus 1, okay, total 10, okay. Now here among these three terms direct values, second term and third term direct values directly substitute. So first one 2 sin square 3 pi by 4, sin square 3 pi by 4 we can write as sin square pi minus pi by 4, okay, sin square pi, sin pi minus pi by 4, because of square will get positive only, okay, and pi minus pi plus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus will get same trigonometric ratio. So because of square will get positive, so no issues. 2 into sin square pi by 4, 2 into sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2, its square 1 by root 2 whole square. So 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 is 1, okay. So 2 into cos square pi by 4, cos square pi by 4 value, cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2, so 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square, so 1 by 2, so 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel 1, okay, plus 2 into sin square pi by 3, okay, 2 into secant square pi by 3, sorry, 2 into secant square pi by 3, 2 into secant pi by 3 value 2 ma, so 2 square, so 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8, okay, 8 plus 2 10, okay, that is what we have to prove, okay. Now up to here, now in trigonometric table we learn the value set 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, pi, okay, like this we learn. Now some more values we have to learn, we have to remember, we'll use in many problems these formulas. Sin 75 degrees, now here values we have to remember also, okay, sin 75 degrees value, sin 15 degrees value, okay, these values we'll find now, we have to remember them as formulas in further classes, okay. Now first one, sin 75 degrees, sin 75 degrees, 75 degrees you write it as sum of two known angles, sum of two known angles, I'll write it as sin 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, 45 degrees plus 30 degrees how much, 75 degrees only, no? So sin 75 degrees I'll write as sin 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now it is of the form sin a plus b, sin a plus b formula, sin a plus b formula is what, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So in place of a what we have 45 degrees, in place of b what we have 30 degrees, okay. So sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, in place of a we have 45 degrees, in place of b we have 30 degrees. So sin 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, sin a, sin 45 degrees into cos b, cos 30 degrees plus cos a, cos 45 degrees into sin b, sin 30 degrees, okay. Now substitute values, sin 45 degrees value is how much, 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees value is how much, root 3 by 2, okay. Sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degrees value how much, 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Now this is how much, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, okay, LCM 2 root 2. So numerator is how much, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So sin 75 degrees value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75 degrees value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. How we find? By writing 75 degrees as 45 plus 30. Okay, 75 degrees as 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Applying sin a plus b formula. Sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2 is LCM, root 3 plus 1 in numerator, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, that is sin 75 degrees. Next, tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees also I'll write as a sum of two known angles or difference of two known angles. Okay, now I'll write 15 degrees as 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30, 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, or else we can write 60 degrees minus 45 degrees also, both are known angles. Okay, so tan 15 degrees as tan of 45 minus 30 degrees I'll write. Now we have to write as a difference of two known angles or sum of two known angles. Okay, if we say that, I'll write it as 40 minus 25. No use, because we don't know 40 degrees angle and we don't know 25 degrees angle. Okay, so I'll write as tan 15 degrees as tan 45 minus 30, tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, and this is of the form tan A minus B. Tan A minus B formula, tan A minus B formula is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B formula, tan A minus, here it is written, tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So in place of A what we have 45 degrees, in place of B what we have 30 degrees. So tan 15 degrees is equal to tan 45 minus 30 degrees. So tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to tan 45 degrees minus tan 30 degrees upon 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees. Okay, now tan 45 degrees value how much? 1 minus tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. So 1 minus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan 45 degrees value 1 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. Take LCM, numerator and denominator. LCM is root 3 in numerator, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 upon denominator root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is tan 15 degrees value. Tan 15 degrees value is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. If you simplify, tan 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This one also we can use as a formula. Okay. Further, if you simplify, simplifying means rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator, root 3 plus 1 we have. So multiply numerator and denominator with root 3 minus 1. What is the advantage? Denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 3 square 3 minus 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 2. 2 in denominator. Numerator is how much? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 whole square. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. So a minus b whole square. A square root 3 square is 3 plus b square minus 1 square 1. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into root 3. Okay, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, 2 common and cancel, what we get? 2 minus square root of 3. So tan 15 degrees, how much we got? 2 minus root 3. Tan 15 degrees value is 2 minus root 3. Okay, sin 75 degrees value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan 15 degrees value is 2 minus root 3. Okay, now further, sin 15 degrees value, sin 15 degrees value 45 minus 30 we can write now. Okay, sin 15 degrees value, sin 45 minus 30 we can write, means here minus, here minus, here minus, here minus. So what we get? Sin 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, next tan 15 degrees value, is 2 minus root 3. Now tan 75 degrees value, what we can write? Tan 45 degrees plus 30 degrees means here plus here minus, here plus here minus, here plus here minus. Okay, so that value will get it as 2 plus root 3. Okay, next question number 6. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. What we have to prove? Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Okay. Now we have a formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos a plus b. If you observe, now if you take pi by 4 minus x as a, pi by 4 minus y as b, now it is of the form cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, what we have? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to cos a plus b. In place of a, what we have here? Pi by 4 minus x. In place of b, what we have here? pi by 4 minus pi. Now cos a plus b. This total is what? Cos a plus b. A is pi by 4 minus x plus b is what? Pi by 4 minus y. Okay. So cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is what? Pi by 2 minus of, from these two if you take minus common, minus of x plus y. Okay. Cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Okay. Now if we consider x plus y as theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Sin theta. In place of theta what we have? X plus y. Okay. If you consider LHS, cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. Now it is of the form cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that you can write as cos a plus b. Okay. Cos a pi by 4 minus x plus b pi by 4 minus y. So cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Okay. Cos pi by 2 minus theta, theta is nothing but x plus y. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but x plus y. Okay, that is RHS. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7. Tan prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. Question number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay. The left hand side if you consider what it is, tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. The numerator is of the form tan a plus b, denominator is of the form tan a minus b. Okay. Tan a minus b formula is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now using tan a plus b here, what is a? Pi by 4. What is b here? X. So tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b by denominator. Denominator is what? Tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan a minus b formula, tan a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay. Now if you observe here, tan pi by 4 value how much? 1. So 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 value 1. So 1 minus tan x. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. That is numerator part. By denominator part, tan pi by 4, 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So 1 plus tan x comes to numerator, 1 minus tan x comes here. So 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square upon 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x is 1 minus tan x whole square. That is what we have to prove. That is RHS. Okay. Simply applying tan a plus b formula for numerator, tan a minus b formula for denominator. Okay. And writing tan pi by 4 value 1. Next. Question number 8. Prove that cos pi plus x into cos of minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. If you consider LHS, what is LHS ma? Cos pi plus x into cos of minus x. Now what we know that in trigonometric functions, cos and secant are even functions. Means cos of minus x is equal to cos x, secant of minus x is equal to secant x. Remaining 4 are odd functions. Means sin of minus x is minus sin x, cosecant of minus x is minus cosecant x, tan of minus x is minus tan x, secant of minus x is secant x, cot of minus x is minus cot x. Okay. So cos of minus x is what? Cos x. Cos of minus x is cos x. Okay. Now cos of pi plus x, pi plus pi minus, 2 pi plus 2 pi minus. For this we will get same trigonometric ratio. So cos pi plus x is what? Cos x. Now positive or negative depend on the quadrant. So pi plus is what? Third quadrant. Pi plus means third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. So pi plus x is what? Minus cos x. So minus cos x into cos of minus x is cos x. So minus cos x into cos x is minus cos square x, that is numerator. Numerator is minus cos square x. Now come to denominator. Denominator what we have? Sin of pi minus x. Okay, so pi minus pi plus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus. Okay, so for this we'll get same trigonometric ratio. So sin of pi minus x is what? Sin x. Now positive or negative depend on the quadrant. Pi minus is second quadrant. In second quadrant is sin is negative, sin is positive. In second quadrant sin is positive, so sin pi minus x is sin x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. Next, cos pi by 2 plus x. Now for pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 plus, for these will get alternate trigonometric ratio. For cos will get sin. So cos pi by 2 plus x is sin x. Now whether it is positive or negative depend on the quadrant. So pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus is what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. So this is minus. So minus sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. So denominator sin x into minus sin x is minus sin square x. So minus minus cancel. Cos square by sin square is cot square. So cos square x by sin square x is cot square x. That is RHS. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. We have to prove that this quantity is 1. Okay. Now consider LHS. What is LHS? Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Value we have to prove it as 1. Now LHS I consider. Now first term cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Now what we discussed, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x. Okay, for this we will get alternate trigonometric ratio and positive or negative depend on the quadrant. Okay, so cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is sin x. Okay, now whether it is positive or negative depend on the quadrant. 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus means it is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. So this answer is sin x with positive sign. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is sin x. So this is sin x. Into cos pi by 2 plus x. Now pi by 2 plus means first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. So pi minus pi plus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus will get same trigonometric ratio. So cos 2 pi plus x is cos x. So this value is sin x, this value is cos x. Into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Now for 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 plus will get say alternate trigonometric ratio. No? So cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x. Now negative or positive depend on the quadrant. 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 minus means below 3 pi by 2 is third quadrant. In third quadrant cot is positive, so positive, so tan x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Now 2 pi plus is what? First quadrant, so all are positive, and 2 pi minus 2 pi plus will get same trigonometric ratio. No? So cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. So tan x plus cot x. Now further tan x what we can write? Sin x by cos x plus cot x what we can write? Cos x by sin x. Take LCM. Cos x into sin x comes here, already sin x is there, so sin square x. Cos x comes here, already cos is there, cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x upon sin x into cos x. Sin x cos x, sin x cos x cancel. So sin square x plus cos square x is how much? 1. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Now I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.